As I said you the second lesson, and now today we are going to start the new lesson, that is the last laugh. The lesson name is the last laugh. So before going to start the lesson, we'll learn the meanings of today's class. First one is hyena. Hyena means a wild animal that looks like a dog. Okay, flapped, moved something up and down quickly, making a noise. Okay, flapped, moved something up and down quickly and making a noise. Flapped, moved something up and down quickly, making a noise. We'll start the story. Okay, the last laugh means okay, lost means forgot. Okay, so here let us start the story. Hyena was very sad. He had lost his laugh. So Hyena went to Giraffe. Please help me find my laugh, Giraffe, he said. Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the tree tops. I can't hear a laugh up here, Hyena, she said. What happened? Hyena was very sad. Okay, this is Hyena. As you can see the picture, no? Hyena was very sad. He had lost his laugh. So what happened? Hyena is a wild animal, no, which looks like a dog. Because he had lost his laugh, he goes to Giraffe and asks for help to find his laugh back. Okay, so what it did, it went to Giraffe and asked, please help me find the laugh. So Giraffe lifted her long neck. So giraffe is a tall animal, no? So it lifted up its long neck and looks around the trees. Okay, so it was searching on the top of the trees, but it could not find Hyena's laugh. So then it said, no, I can't see your laugh on the tree tops. Then Hyena saw Hippo swimming in the lake. Please help me find my laugh, Hippo, he said. Hippo looked in the water. I can't hear a laugh down here, she said. Then what he said? Then Hyena went to Hippo. As you can see, here in the water there was a hippopotamus. Then Hyena saw Hippo swimming in the lake. He asked her for the help to find his laugh. So what Hippo did? Hippo looks for laugh in the water. Okay, it was searching for the laugh in the water, but she could not find his laugh. Next, so Hippo said that I could not find your laugh in the water. Then what happened? Hyena went to Elephant next. Please help me find my laugh. Elephant, he said. Elephant flapped his big ears and listened carefully. I can't hear your laugh anywhere in the jungle, Hyena. So what happened? Hyena went to Elephant next. In the meanwhile, when she was walking in the jungle, she met Elephant. Okay, so what he asked again. He asked to Elephant to help me find my laugh. Okay, then what happened? Elephant flapped its ears. What the meaning of flapped? Means moving the ears up and down quickly. Okay, he did that and he said that I can't hear your laugh anywhere in the jungle, Hyena. Okay, so then the Hyena became very sad. Okay, students, we'll continue the class in the next session and we'll come to know whether Haina had found his love or not.